Hello, viewers. I'm back after a very long break. Yes, procrastination kicked. It is summertime in Denmark, and the mountain bike season has started. Today, I have a very easy project which gives instant gratification. Today, I'll be cleaning the exhaust pipes from my Suzuki GSXS 750. A very long. As you can see, the actual go burned, but there is an easy way to bring it back to it. So, let's get going. The process is very simple. Pick a good pair of cleaning clothes, sanding pads that you basically can get from the hardware store, some metal polish paste, some gloves and masks for safety precaution. Also, this project is an active project and it does require a bit of freshness, so make sure that you come fully energized for it. To start with the cleaning, I've cut a long strip of the sanding pads, and this will help to sand the pipes, rolling it with me instead. What is very important to notice is that the direction of the sanding should be horizontal, side to side. You do not want to sand the pipes up and down, as this will scratch the pipes. Now, the project does require a bit of patience and a bit of creativity. Certain parts of the exhaust pipe, as you can see in this force on your engine, is a bit difficult to reach. However, if you change the angle, that should help. So, let's continue. Once you're done with the sanding, you will need to wipe with a clean microfiber cloth. This will take a residual degree out. Then you need to take a clean cloth or a foam, apply the stay polish on it, and rub it all around the parts. This will make the part look very smooth and sleek. Wow, 2 good results. As you can see, it turned all very nicely. This is how it looked before, and this is how it looks. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. If you have got value from this video, please consider subscribing to our channel and hitting that like button. Thank you again. Take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.